How can I improve my English speaking skills?
Practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Consistency is important. The more you practice, the better you become.
What should I do to enhance my listening skills in English?
Listen to English speakers by watching movies, podcasts, or following YouTube channels. Please pay attention to their pronunciation and expressions, and try to imitate phrases you hear.
What does imitating mean in language learning?
Imitating means copying how others speak to improve your speaking and listening skills.
Why should I start with short phrases?
Starting with short phrases is easier to remember and helps you gain confidence before trying longer sentences.
How can I see my progress?
Keep a simple notebook and write down what you practice. You can also record your voice to hear your improvement.
What can I use to practice imitation?
You can use podcasts, YouTube videos, speeches, and conversations with friends or teachers.
How often should I practice?
Try to practice every day or a few times a week, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes.
What happens if I imitate longer sentences?
Imitating longer sentences can help you speak more smoothly and understand bigger ideas.
Where can I find speeches or conversations to imitate?
Look for TED Talks, movies, or popular speeches online. YouTube is a great place to find helpful videos.
Should I worry more about how I sound or what I'm saying?
At first, focus on both how you sound and what you're saying. Good pronunciation helps people understand you better.
Can I practice with someone else?
Yes, practicing with a friend is great. You can take turns imitating and giving each other tips.
How does imitation help me learn new phrases?
When you imitate, you learn new phrases and expressions naturally, just like native speakers use them.
What if I find long sentences hard to copy?
Break long sentences into smaller parts. Practice each part one by one until you can say the whole thing.
How does imitation improve my listening skills?
Imitating helps you listen carefully, which makes you better at understanding how others speak.
Is it okay to make mistakes when I imitate?
Yes, making mistakes is part of learning. Use mistakes to improve, and don't be afraid to try again.
How can I use this method in my daily life?
You can imitate things you hear on the radio and movies, or when you talk to people. It's fun to practice.
What is the usual order of practice?
Start with short phrases, then go to longer sentences. And finally, practice entire speeches.
Do I need to understand everything I imitate?
No, you don't have to understand every word at first. Just focus on how to say it.
How can I use technology to help me?
You can use apps or websites for language practice that give you feedback on your speaking.
Can imitation help me with writing too?
You can also imitate writing styles and sentences to improve your writing.
What attitude should I have while practicing?
Have a positive attitude. See challenges as chances to learn and be patient with yourself.
How can I stay motivated to practice?
Set small goals, reward yourself for achievements, and choose fun material to imitate.
Now watch the video again. Pause after each sentence and repeat what you hear. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to support the channel.